If teaching Noah feels like a lot, let me show you a really simple way to walk through it with kids. I like to start here. This gives the overview of the story and helps connect it back to Jesus. It's one of my favorites because it gives the who, what, where, cultural insights, and the Bible verses that give the connection back to Christ. There's topics to explore, rabbit trails, things to do, and even more verses to read. It will enrich your Bible reading, your Bible story, or even your current Bible study. Then there are simple activities, nothing complicated, just printables to help them remember what they're learning, and family trees to help them connect and see how everything fits together. There's also pages for the preschoolers, so everyone can be involved at their level. You don't have to do everything. This is something you can spread out over a few days, or just pick 1 or 2 pages and keep it simple. Noah is part of the creation to Joseph section inside Walking the Word if you want to go further, but even just starting here can make a big difference. And it helps kids see where Noah fits in the Bible, not just a story, but as part of God's bigger plan. It's not a curriculum. It's a resource library designed to help you walk through the Word with clarity, connection, and creativity. You can find it at forgethimnot.com, where we're helping you remember the Lord in creative ways.